Hello everyone, my name is Ian and today I'm going to talk about brand and company mission statements and how they can help you grow your brand or company. So let's jump into it. The first thing to acknowledge here is that brand and company mission statements often get a bad rep. Many people question their value. However, today I'm going to show that they can actually be really useful. They can actually help you create deep connections between your customers and your brand and ensure that everyone in your organization is working in the same direction. But I'm also going to show you that creating a mission statement is really just the tip of the iceberg. The brand mission is a great starting point, but it needs to be aligned with your brand vision, values, goals, and strategy to have any impact on the way that consumers or employees perceive you. And I think this is where sometimes people get frustrated and cynical about mission statements. They build one and nothing happens, nothing changes. But essentially what they're doing here, I think, is overestimating the importance of the mission statement and underestimating all the other elements. The vision, the values, the goals, and the strategy that are crucial in driving the organization forward together. To avoid this frustration with your mission statement, it's really important to understand what each of the 6 elements means and, crucially, how they all fit together to give everyone the clarity they need to drive your brand forward. So let's start at the top, at the beginning, with the brand mission statement. Your company or brand mission is what you do. Now, you can make this quite simple and straightforward, focusing on the features of your products, or you can make it a lot more emotive, focusing on the benefits to consumers or to the planet of using your brand. But let's bring this to life using the example of 2 different theoretical brands called Performer and Planeta, and we'll show how 2 very different mission statements are crucial in creating 2 very different brands. Very practically, like Performer, we could decide that our mission is to be #1 in expedition and performance tents. Or we could create a brand with a higher purpose, like Planeta, on a mission to protect the planet for the next generation. Both of these statements work, but as you can clearly see already, both brands are on very different missions. Now, once the mission is defined, the next step is to start working on bringing this to life. It's time to define the vision. The brand or company vision is where you are going. And let's again compare 2 very different examples. Performer, the brand that wants to be #1, will be focused on ensuring that it's at the cutting edge of materials technology, whereas Planeta is looking to protect the environment and be much more focused on sustainability and leaving nothing but footprints. The next thing that the brand needs to define is its values. Values help us understand what is important to the brand and guide the decision making that the brand teams have to make on an everyday basis. Performer will look for collaborations to help them win, whereas Planeta will be focused on seeking win-win outcomes with its business partners. And as you can see, not only are the brands going in different directions, but they're doing things in a very different way. The next step is to consider the brand goals. This is what the brand team want to achieve and by when. For Performer, this means #1 in terms of market leadership, whereas for Planeta, this means aiming for 100% sustainable products. And the final step is to define the strategy and tactics. The strategy and tactics are the initiatives that need to be delivered in order for you to deliver your goals, vision, and mission. And remember, this all needs to be done in a way that aligns with the brand values. For example, Performer will be laser focused on reducing the weight and improving the performance of its fabrics, whereas Planeta will seek to improve the recyclability of all of its products. And there you have it, the brand mission statement, and how it is used in conjunction with the vision, the values, the goal, and the strategy to drive organizational alignment. But which statement is best? Which brand will be most successful? Well, this partly depends on your measure of success, but what happens if we take a purely financial look at this? Well, again, it depends on the consumers, the suppliers, and the employees that are operating in this space, and which brand resonates most strongly with them. And that's it, my quick summary of brand mission statements. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed creating it. Please let me have any questions or comments, especially if there's another marketing topic you'd like me to talk about, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.